In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix search bar missing in Google Chrome. Now, there are a couple of reasons why that could be, but this is going to show you the easiest and simplest way to do it. So I've opened a new tab here, and as you can see, it's not showing any search bar here. And to fix that, we can just head over to the settings. And then here are the settings. What you're going to do is look for the search engine. And once you open the search engine, I want you to go ahead and click change. Now there are different search engines here. They are, or some of them are quite popular. Google is the most popular, and Google actually has a search engine. Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, and DuckDuckGo also has their own search engine. Search bars in the search engine. However, Google is the one that we are going to be using. Now, if we are going to open a new tab, you can see that our search bar here has now appeared. And that, everybody, is how you are going to fix that. Just go ahead and try to use the different search engine that you are currently using. Again, everybody, that is how you're going to fix this problem. Have a great day.